everyone, and welcome back to the zone, where today we got some more funny dog and cat videos that hopefully don't get me copyrighted like everything else has lately. If you do enjoy, please like and subscribe and all that good stuff, because my channel is dying and I really need the help. Bye! In the box. Somebody's squirting! Hold on. The what? The cat turned into quirk? That's the smoothest transition. It's almost like they planned it. Bro, sleeping with both balls. That's all I got to say. I can't say nothing else.
You are getting
A monkey? How's there a monkey in a cat video? You gonna get that leaf? Is that a mouse? Oh my god, it's a computer now. Oh, we got some treats. Uh-oh. Oh. You gonna sneak them all? No. Is there another dog? Nope. Just one at a time. Oh. Oh. You're gonna cause a fight right now. I knew it was coming, but I still wasn't ready. Bro. Don't you get in the middle of that, homie. Or maybe so. You scared. Did you scare him? Dog back down. Oh, is he gonna jump? He made it! That's talent. Bro, does he got 3 balls? Is he up in the mother dog from before? That's what it looked like. Oh, the little snoot.
You silly kitty.
Sleeping in the holes.
You can do it if you try.
He ain't gonna make it. Got scarred. Oh no! Don't let your dog do that, bro. What if he had fallen in and got wrapped up? Oh, is that a goat? Oh no, he's gonna hurt your dog, bro. Maybe not. I have a bed like that for my cats. Just gonna toss him out. Was that a cat? Hold on. Oh, he was in there. I thought someone threw a cat. That was a bottle land on his head. What the hell was that?
swing the ear.
Oh, he's gonna get bapped for that. Bap. No, no bap.
Fucking dog, man.
He's chilling, bro.
Holy.
Ooh, made a mistake. The llama. Drama llama. Oh, not the kitty. All the goats.
欢迎收看大型飙车现场。
Oh no.
You are getting
Oh my lord. That poor dog. Don't laugh at that. You stop it from doing that. It was a trap.
Ollie, look at me.
I got a broom. What are you doing? Alright, you guys, we're going to end it off there. But if you did enjoy, please like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And have a good day.